To obtain a discount code for Frontier, start by launching your preferred browser and navigating to the source box. Type in Frontier Lines in the search bar and select the website option, which will direct you to the official Frontier website. From there, you can log into your account, book your flights, and locate the promo code section during checkout. To find the actual discount code, open a new tab and search for Frontier Lines code. This will yield various website links, and by selecting one, you can browse through numerous deals and offers, such as 75% off, 90% off, or 10% off. Choose an offer, click on See Details, copy the code, and then proceed to the Frontier website to redeem it. Log into your account, book your flight, and apply the promo code at checkout to receive the discount. You can also explore other websites that provide working codes for Frontier, which often feature a wide range of offers and deals. By following these steps, you can easily obtain a Frontier discount code and enjoy the corresponding savings.